guys, I hope you're all well. I have been thinking that I need to declutter and organise the boys' bedroom a little bit because since we moved into the new house I haven't done it at all. Oh, very bright. And I just walked into Jensen's room and he has absolutely trashed it to the point he's even taken the bed slats off of his bed. The mattress is underneath it. Dressing up box has been emptied, I'll show you guys in a minute. So I thought, what better time than now to get some bags out. One for charity, one for anything that's like broken, needs to be chucked away. And yeah, just a chance to kind of organise it because as much as it pains me, I have been putting things away in the wrong toy boxes. It's not been the kids doing it, it's been me because I've just been pooped recently and that's just been the easiest thing to do. So yeah, it's a pretty big job. I'm going to show you now. Okay, so for those of you who haven't seen it, this is the boys' new bedroom. So they've got the double wardrobe here. So this is Jensen's rails. He's got his t-shirts, jumpers, stuff like that. Up there, I'm going to do the whole bedroom actually, not just their toys. Up there is just like, there's some spare pull-ups, blankets, and then like sentimental stuff there. Big toys here. Obviously in the old house we had a playroom / dining room area, but here we don't have room downstairs, so everything's in the bedroom. Some swimming bits down there. In this one, all of Jasper's clothes at the top, and then the boys' trousers, shorts, that's Jensen's, and then shorts, trousers, Jasper's, toiletries, and then they have got underwear, Jasper's, school shorts and socks, and then pyjamas. Oh, it is a mess. And then some more sentimental stuff up there, hats. This is the little cozy corner with cushions and their books. In here, it's probably absolutely nothing in there because that's the dressing up box which has been emptied. Jensen's bed, which he has destroyed. Jasper's bed. And then here they have got their toy boxes. So this one I think is meant to be characters. This one is meant to be vehicles, although this one looks like vehicles. Play, Happy Land stuff. Puzzles. Books. Oh no, wait, Happy Land stuff. Books. And stuff like Lego and play mags. It's me talking, it's your toys. Okay, so I'm going to get cracking. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, wish me luck. It didn't actually take as long as I thought it would. Part of me was thinking, oh, I'm gonna have to split this into 2 videos, or I'm gonna have to do it, like finish off tomorrow morning because it's bedtime in 35 minutes. But yeah, I feel like I did quite well. So I've got a bag of stuff for charity here, just some clothes, books, toys, like clothes that don't fit Jensen anymore or that don't fit Jasper and Jensen won't wear. And yeah, just books that the boys don't read, toys they don't play with anymore. And then they're just some rubbish, like this is a broken monster truck thing that's missing a wheel and just tat, really. This is all stuff that doesn't belong in here, so like my massagey ball, crafty stuff goes downstairs in the craft cupboard, like learning jolly phonics stuff. That's a book from nursery that we need to return. Some more crafty stuff. For some reason there was an Allen key in here. Playing cards, they are more likely to be played with by me. Look how cute that is. Crafty stuff. And then, oh actually I need to organise, well actually I don't, that's just the boys' light that they have on at night time. That for if they listen to audiobooks. That's my cup of tea. And this I need to figure out putting on the wall. Some Christmassy pyjamas, they can go in the Christmas box, and a screwdriver, which will be Jensen. That's also mine. So I'll just show you, this is the boys' like stuffed animals bag thing. Jensen's stuff, it looks like I've gotten rid of loads. I haven't, it's just because it was all spread out. Big toys are back in here, big stuff here. Probably doesn't look that different, but I did get rid of some stuff, swimming stuff down there still, and some artwork of Jasper's that he wants to keep. I'm thinking of getting him a bunk bed with like a desk underneath because he loves doing drawing and crafts and he hasn't really got like his own space to do it and keep all of his stuff, and then he can have like a pin board on top of it to keep his favourite drawings because he comes home from school every single day with like so many drawings, and like obviously we get rid of the ones that's just like a scribble on paper. But anyway, so that is that. And then the other side, just cleared out a little bit. A few bits have gone from here. I was gonna be good and fold underwear, but I'm just not gonna bother. I got rid of some old socks that were quite worn. Pants wise, what I need to do is when Jensen puts them on, if they look tight or feel tight, then I need to just get rid of them then, rather than putting them in the wash and thinking, oh, I'll deal with that later. So yeah, I got rid of a few that were a bit worn, but I massively need to declutter them. But if I go for like, if I try and get rid of 2 to 3, some of the 2 to 3s still fit him, and I don't know, boys dribble a bit, don't they? So we do go through quite a few pairs of pants. That stuff hasn't changed. And then pyjamas are a bit more organised. So we've got Jensen's, Jasper's, they've got their wintry ones at the back. And then the little cosy corner, books have been decluttered a little bit. All of the kind of role play and dressing up stuff in there. Nice and organised. Jensen's bed put back together. And then over here we have got figures, cars, the Happy Land stuff, train tracks and trains, more Happy Land stuff, puzzles and games, the Lego-y building bits. These are amazing, by the way. So these are called Magna blocks. I'll leave a link below, but the boys love them. They're really good for, they're like magnetised together, really good for building with, and they're easy for like all age groups. And then books in here have been a bit more organised. There's just not enough room for all of them on the bookshelf, so some in here. This is Jasper's little bag of stuff that he likes to keep. So like a leaf that my mum did for him, a shell, an old glow stick, but it's his stuff that he likes. So as long as it's in a nice little bag, it doesn't bother me. I feel like I've got more of a sweat on just from that little bit of talking than actually doing it. But yeah, I hope that you found it a bit motivational. It's good to do every so often, and I feel like filming it makes me more likely to actually get on and do it. So yes, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will probably be doing my bedroom next.